dekada, my reflection on how studying ethics has profoundly reshaped my perspective, values, and personal growth. Initially, I viewed ethics as a set of rigid rules, theoretical framework detached from daily life. However, delving into diverse ethical theories from utilitarianism to deontology, virtue ethics to care ethics broadened my understanding of moral reasoning. I learned that ethical dilemmas are rarely black and white, often involving complex trade-offs and competing values. This realization fostered critical thinking skills, pushing me to question assumption and analyze situations from multiple viewpoints. On a personal level, studying ethics has been transformative. It's enhanced my self-awareness, forcing me to confront my own biases and inconsistencies. The process of grappling with complex moral questioning has fostered intellectual humility, acknowledging the limitation of my own understanding and the need for continuous learning and self-reflection. Ultimately, studying ethics has not only equipped me with theoretical framework for moral decision-making, but also cultivated a more ethical and compassionate approach to life. Its journey, ongoing learning and self-improvements, shaping me into a more responsible and engaged member of society. My values have evolved through this process. I've developed a deeper appreciation for empathy, recognizing the importance of considering the impact of my action on others. The study of justice and fairness has strengthened my commitment to equity and social responsibility. I am more conscious of systematic inequalities and strive to actively challenge them in my personal and professional life.